GDP means gross domestic product. In simple words, GDP is the total money value of all goods and services produced within a country in a given period of time, usually a year. For example, India रे within 1 year रे जेते goods and services produce हेउची से सबरो total market value को आमे GDP कहबे. GDP shows the economic strength of a country. That means GDP ଗୋଟେ ଦେଶର ଆର୍ଥିକ ସ୍ଥିତିକୁ ବୁଝାଏ. If GDP is rising, economy is growing. If GDP falls, economy is slowing down. That means ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ଦେଶର GDP ବଢିବ, then ସେ ଦେଶର ଅର୍ଥନୀତି ଶକ୍ତିଶାଳୀ ହେବ. ଯଦି GDP କମିବ, then ସେ ଦେଶର ଅର୍ଥନୀତି ଦୁର୍ବଳ ହୋଇପଡିବ.